Hi, today I'll show you how to add and remove Google account on T-Phone 6. So, first of all, let's unlock our phone, then let's go to settings. Now, let's find passwords and accounts, add account, Google. Now we need to write down our Google account. Next, and enter your password. Now press I agree. And let's accept Google services, or you can turn off backup. And as you can see, we just added a Google account. We can also remove it by pressing remove account. So that's it. Press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.